Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the game-changing world of Amazon data analysis with the Asinzen Insight Google Sheets add-on. At the core of this tool are Asinzen tokens. But what exactly are they and how do they work? Let's find out. Asinzen tokens are your gateway to unlocking the full potential of the Google Sheet add-on and the search supplier feature on the AZ Insight extension. These tokens enable powerful functions which allow you to pull critical Amazon or Keepa data directly into your Google spreadsheets. Think of them as the fuel that drives your data analysis and supplier discovery to new heights. Here's something important to know. Asinzen tokens are completely separated from the AZ Insight's API rate limits. Using tokens won't impact your API usage. Every time you use a function in the add-on or the AZ Insight search supplier feature, tokens are consumed. The number of tokens required depends on the complexity of the data being pulled. Simple tasks might use just one token, while more detailed analyses could use 2 or 3 tokens per ASIN. Now, here's the exciting part. We're giving away 100,000 free tokens. That's right. When you start a free trial of the AZ Insight Advanced, or subscribe to or renew an AZ Insight Advanced plan either monthly or annually, you'll automatically receive 100,000 tokens. This gives you an incredible head start to explore the tool's features and experience its power firsthand. What happens if you run out of tokens? No worries. You can easily purchase additional tokens to keep your workflow uninterrupted. We want to ensure you always have access to the data you need. Here's how you can get your tokens. Free trial. Get 100,000 tokens to test everything out. Monthly subscription. Receive 100,000 tokens every month for just $5. Annual subscription. Get 1,200,000 tokens annually for $50, giving you the best value. One-time packages. Need a quick boost? Purchase a one-time package for $8 and get 100,000 tokens. And remember, you'll receive 100,000 tokens with every AZ Insight Advanced subscription renewal, whether you renew monthly or annually. This ensures you'll always have the resources you need to keep your analysis and supplier searches running smoothly. To recap, Asinzen tokens are essential for unlocking the powerful features of Asinzen tools, like the AZ Insight extension and the Google Sheets add-on. You'll get 100,000 free tokens with a free trial and with every AZ Insight Advanced subscription or renewal. Each function uses 1 to 3 tokens per ASIN, depending on the complexity of the data. And if you need more tokens, they're just a few clicks away. Ready to supercharge your Amazon data analysis? Click the link in the description below to start your free trial of AZ Insight Advanced and claim your 100,000 free tokens today.